So, the BTS, the Bangtan Boys. Today we're talking about them, but before talking about them, I have a question for you. What was the first thing you thought about when listening to them? These are the first four things that popped into my mind. So, tell me yours. There's also something else I'd like to discuss with you. So, let's take our friend here, Justin Bieber. His fans are the Beliebers, okay? Let's take another American star, so Taylor Swift, or is she British? I don't know, who cares. We have the Swifties, which sounds like some weird like drugs or stuff like that. And now we have the BTS. How are their fans called? So here are a couple of ideas like BTSers, BTS fan club, BTS lovers, but no. We're not even close. No. They have a freaking army. The BTS Army. Isn't that cool? I think it's crazy in a way. But I'm a big fan of them, so let's go into the video. Now you need to write some chords for some like 16-year-old, you know, this kind of white girl, you know, kind of chain smoker type of chords. You know, you just plays normal pop chords and then you add some seventh every now and then. And you want to play the same note across multiple chords to add some, I forgot the name, to make it cool. And don't forget to layer with an E-piano, because if you don't layer, you're not a real man. For the hook, you can add some energy just by playing the same chords but with some space. Since you're a real man, you're going to add a couple of layers. So for the melody, you want to use something with a lot of rhythm following the chord progression. For example, the repetitions are very important because they give a lot of flow, a lot of rhythm, as well as these notes here. Oh my god. Look. If you don't use this in your tracks, you're not a real man. You're not a real man. Since we are real men and we have a lot of instruments, we're gonna use some layers, okay? Like this. Look here, this is dope. This is dope. You want to write a melody that is very catchy because the purpose is to tap on people's shoulder, technically. You know, if they listen to this song on the radio, this melody is almost asking for their attention, if you see what I mean. It's also very easy to remember due to the like repetitions in the melody. And this is something that I did on purpose. So you want to just add some generic trap or future bass drums like this one. You know, this percussion loop is like the sauce. What bass are we going to use today? Okay, just a sub bass like every time. You want to add some vocal chops, because otherwise it's not pop music in 2019. Say we have this one. We have this one. And we have a sample of this, so basically this is a vocal chop. and then I sample it and I put it one octave up. Together they sound like this. Since you need energy, before the hook you want to put some fills. Kind of dope. Roko dancing. If you like the content, please make sure to leave a like and a subscribe and a comment if you can, because basically this tells YouTube that the video is good and YouTube can push the video, and if YouTube pushes the video, I can allocate more time of my schedule towards this YouTube channel. So if you want more content, make sure to engage, okay? Thank you.